Today I'll show you how to change the ear tips of your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. So start by opening the case and removing the earbuds from the case, like so. Then you want to take one earbud, and then simply unfold this ear tip. So unfold it just like this. So it looks something like that. Then you want to hold it like that, firmly, and push it down a bit so that you can be able to slide the ear tip out just like that. And then repeat the same process for this other earbud. So simply just unfold it like that, press in, and then pull it out just like that. That's basically how to remove the ear tips. And now if you want to change them to ones that are bigger size or a smaller size, or you want ones of a different color, all you have to do is simply take the earbuds once again, and then you want to align this side with the earbud just like that, and then you want to push this rubber in just like that, and then fold that ear tip just like that, and repeat the same on the other side. So just like that, and then fold it just like that, and it goes back in like a glove. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.